I would say FutureDoc is a platform that has everything you need to prepare for medical school application. It's got hundreds of videos which you pick and choose which ones you want to watch, or you watch all of them. It's really helpful, and it's just kind of like an organisation tool for me to get through this application process, because you don't really know what you're supposed to do when you start applying. I think the reason I came and found FutureDoc was because I just felt so chaotic in my application, because people tell you, okay, you've got to do this, this, and this, so you have no idea what you're supposed to be doing. So you're supposed to do your UCAT, and then your BEMA, and then your interviews. What are you supposed to be doing going up to those? So having the support there, knowing I could always email FutureDoc to ask a question, or even if it was just like about a medical ethic question or something, it really just gave me peace of mind, because a lot of the people at school don't know what is involved in a medical school application. So having somebody who knows exactly what's going on and what you need to do to get there was really essential. FutureDoc and Dr. Ryan, another doctor who is working within the programme, gave me a lot of support, because I was struggling a lot mentally, because it's so much pressure. Anyone who goes process and knows how much pressure it is. I was just like, I'm not gonna do it, I'm gonna fail these, like I've wasted my whole year. So yeah, having that support, just saying like, how are you doing, how's it going, like giving me tips on how to revise on the last few days coming up to my exam, definitely just helped me to prepare a bit more, because otherwise you feel so alone because nobody else understands like where you're coming from on that.